So now we are preparing instant ginger pickle. So this you can use as a side dish for chapatis and dosa, idli, parathas, everything you can use for everything. So this is instant allam pachadi. Add oil, very little, just a half tablespoon. Now the kadai is hot. Add fenugreek seeds. Add mustard seeds. Add zira. Coriander seeds. Fry until it changes its color. Now remove that into the other plate. Now again add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add cleaned and washed ginger. Fry until it changes its color. It will take around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the ginger has changed its color. Now add peeled garlic. Now off the flame, let it cool completely. Now you can see everything is cooled. First blend this. After that we will add some spices into this. Add salt, turmeric, jaggery, red chili powder. Add tamarind paste. Add water. Now blend into a fine paste. Now we will keep a small tempering for this. Add oil. Urad dal, chana dal, mustard seeds, zira, garlic, ginger paste. Mixture. At this stage, you can check the seasoning. If anything you want, you can adjust here. Cook for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, off the flame. This can be used in idlis, dosa, chapati, chilas, bread, everything.